Hello everyone, and welcome to Dr. Carminati's YouTube channel. I'm so excited to have you join me today as we explore a fascinating and game-changing topic, taking into account Agentic AI and AutoGPT 2.0, how AI agents are evolving from task execution to autonomous planning and collaboration. We're diving into the cutting edge of artificial intelligence, and I promise to make this journey engaging and easy to follow, even if you're brand new to the subject. I'd love for you to get involved, share your thoughts in the comments, suggest ideas for future videos, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button to become part of our growing community. Let's jump in and discover how AI agents transform from simple tools into autonomous, collaborative powerhouses. Let's begin with the basics. What are AI agents? Picture them as digital helpers, software programs or systems designed to handle tasks or make decisions for us humans. You've probably encountered them already. A chatbot answering your questions on a website. That's an AI agent. A recommendation system suggesting your next Netflix binge? Another AI agent. Even self-driving cars rely on AI agents to navigate roads. In the past, these agents operated like obedient workers, following a strict playbook. They'd take an input, like a customer asking, "Where's my order?" and spit out a pre-programmed response such as, "It's on its way." These early agents excelled at executing specific tasks, but couldn't think beyond the script. Fast forward to today, and AI agents are undergoing a massive transformation. Technological advances like machine learning and natural language processing have supercharged their abilities. They're no longer just reactive robots waiting for orders. Instead, they're stepping into a new role: autonomous planners and collaborators. They can anticipate what we need, make decisions independently, and even collaborate with other agents or people to tackle more significant challenges. To understand this evolution, we'll zoom in on two exciting developments: Agentic AI and AutoGPT 2.0. These innovations are rewriting what AI can do, and I can't wait to show you how. First up, let's explore Agentic AI. This term describes AI systems that don't just follow instructions but act independently. They decide, plan, and execute without someone holding their hand every step of the way. Imagine a personal assistant who doesn't wait for you to say, "Schedule a meeting." Instead, this assistant checks your calendar, notices a busy day, books a meeting room, and even orders coffee, all before you ask. That's Agentic AI in action, a proactive, decision-making partner. How does it do this? Agentic AI leans on advanced algorithms that help it learn from data and understand the world. One technique, reinforcement learning, lets the AI experiment and improve over time. Think of a warehouse robot figuring out the fastest way to stack boxes. It tries different arrangements, learns what works, and refines its approach, all by itself. This ability to learn and adapt fuels its autonomy, allowing it to plan and act without constant human input. The impact stretches across industries. In healthcare, Agentic AI could sift through patient records, recommend treatments tailored to each person, and coordinate with nurses or specialists to streamline care. It might spot market shifts, adjust investments, and execute trades in seconds in finance. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now and changing how we solve problems. Agentic AI frees us from micromanaging routine tasks so we can focus on the big picture, like inventing new solutions or building stronger connections. Next, let's spotlight AutoGPT 2.0, a next-level AI model that's taking autonomy and collaboration to new heights. You might know earlier GPT models, think ChatGPT, which generate text or answer questions based on what you tell them. AutoGPT 2.0 builds on that foundation but adds a twist. It doesn't just respond, it plans and teams up. While I'm imagining its features, since it's a future version, picture it as an AI that can take a vague goal, like plan a family vacation, and turn it into reality. It could research destinations, book flights, reserve hotels, and even suggest activities, all without you spelling out every detail. What makes AutoGPT 2.0 special? It breaks down complex tasks into bite-sized steps and prioritizes them. Say you ask it to launch a small business. It might start by drafting a business plan, researching suppliers, designing a website, and creating a marketing strategy step by step on its own. But here's the kicker. It doesn't stop at solo work. AutoGPT 2.0 can collaborate with other AI agents or humans. Imagine it teaming up with a design AI to craft a logo, a finance AI to manage budgets, and you to approve the final vision. It's like assembling a dream team where every member communicates seamlessly and adjusts on the fly. Think of it as a digital orchestra. Each AI agent plays its instrument, logistics, creativity, analysis, and AutoGPT 2.0 conducts them to create harmony. This collaboration unlocks possibilities that a single agent couldn't achieve alone. For example, one agent could predict where aid is needed in disaster relief, another could organize supplies, and a third could coordinate volunteers, all working together under AutoGPT 2.0's guidance. It's a leap from isolated task doers to a coordinated creative crew. So how are AI agents moving from basic task execution to autonomous planning and collaboration? Let's examine 4 big shifts that are making it happen. Learning smarter. Old school AI stuck to rigid rules, but today's agents learn from experience. Machine learning lets them analyze data, spot patterns, and improve with every try. This fuels their ability to plan, predicting what's needed instead of just reacting to what's happening. Speaking our language. Thanks to breakthroughs in natural language processing, AI agents now understand and generate text that feels human. This matters for collaboration. An agent can chat with you about a project, negotiate with a supplier, or brainstorm with another AI, all in plain English or any language. It and teamwork makes the dream work. Developers build systems where multiple AI agents link up. These multi-agent systems share info and coordinate actions in real time. Picture a smart city. One agent manages traffic lights, another tracks energy use, and a third monitors weather. Together, they keep everything running smoothly, chasing goals, not commands. Modern agents don't just follow orders, they pursue objectives. Give them a goal like improve customer satisfaction, and they'll figure out how to get there, tweaking their approach if something fails. This goal-driven mindset sets them apart from the reactive tools of the past. Let's see this in a real-world scenario. Take agriculture. A traditional AI might water crops when a sensor says they're dry. But an evolved agent, like one powered by Agentic AI or AutoGPT 2.0, could monitor weather forecasts, analyze soil health, and adjust irrigation schedules proactively. It might even team up with a drone to scout fields and a market AI to predict crop prices, ensuring the farmer gets the best yield and profit. That's the difference from doing one job to orchestrating a whole operation. This evolution isn't just tech jargon, it's reshaping our lives. Let's explore what it means for you, me, and everyone else. Work gets a makeover. Some worry AI will steal jobs, but I see it transforming them. Agents will tackle the mundane, data entry, scheduling, fundamental analysis, so we can dive into creative or strategic roles. A teacher might spend less time grading and more time inspiring students, thanks to an AI marking papers and suggesting lesson tweaks. Big wins in efficiency Autonomous agents optimize things humans can't. They could redesign supply chains to cut waste, predict energy needs to lower bills, or accelerate drug discovery by testing millions of compounds virtually. The result? Faster progress and more innovative solutions. Tough questions ahead. As AI takes on more, we must ask, who's accountable if it messes up? How do we keep it fair? Ethical guidelines and transparency will ensure these agents serve us, not vice versa. Partners, not replacements. The future pairs humans with AI. Together, we'll tackle massive challenges, curing diseases or exploring Mars. Imagine a she and AI suggesting rocket designs while engineers refine them. That collaboration is where the magic happens. This is why I'm urging you to dig deeper. The more you understand AI's evolution, the more you see its potential and limits. Check out books on AI ethics, watch TED Talks on machine learning, or play with free AI tools online. Knowledge is your ticket to thriving in this AI-powered future. Wow, what a ride! We've traced how AI agents are leaping from task execution to autonomous planning and collaboration, driven by agentic AI and AutoGPT 2.0. They're learning, teaming up, and chasing goals, changing industries and lives. I hope you're as excited as I am about what's next. I want to hear from you. How do you think these AI agents will shape your world? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every one. Suggest topics for our next adventure, hit that like button, and subscribe to keep exploring with me. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you in the next video.